Salam everybody, this is Investor Sheikh back at it again with another video. And today's halal stock pick of the week is STEM Inc., ticker symbol STEM. Stock price is at $25.09. The key stats are it has a $3 billion market cap, no dividend, a 52-week low of 960 and a high of 5149, so it's a pretty wide range there, and currently no PE ratio or earnings per share. So STEM is actually one of the green stocks. Now I've mentioned a lot of green stocks in my videos, so this is one of them. And what they are is STEM provides solutions that address the challenges of today's dynamic energy market. By combining advanced energy storage solutions with Athena, a world-class AI-powered analytics platform, STEM enables customers and partners to optimize energy use by automatically switching between battery power, on-site generation, and grid power. STEM's solutions help enterprise customers benefit from a clean, adaptive energy infrastructure and achieve a wide variety of goals, including expense reduction, resilience, sustainability, environmental and corporate responsibility, and innovation. STEM also offers, that's another typo, full support for solar partners interested in adding storage to standalone community or commercial solar projects, both behind and in front of the meter. So STEM is really focusing more on having a more greener world, especially when they're combining AI technology with clean energy. This could definitely benefit a lot of communities moving forward. So let's take a look at their website and see what they have to offer. So it's on the website, it says STEM is a global leader in AI-driven energy storage. With more than a decade of pioneering experience, we offer businesses, utilities, and project developers exceptional service backed by the industry's best software. So this is a software company similar to CleanSpark in providing energy storage by using clean energy. And their main product, Athena. So let's take a look at it. Athena is STEM's software platform built to seamlessly integrate and optimize energy resources. By sitting in between distributed energy resources, the utility and grid controls, Athena makes it easy to maximize energy asset performance and investments. So they have 950 projects operating or contracted, 1 gigawatt per hour under management, 20 million runtime hours. Athena leverages best-in-class data engineering, forecasting, and optimization to maximize ROI and performance for every system in our network. It all starts with predictions. Athena's machine learning algorithms generate multiple forecasts about weather, prices, solar generation, energy demand, and other factors, and analyze how energy assets can capture value at different times. Athena then formulates a strategy for maximizing that value and implements it in a variety of ways, by bidding assets into wholesale markets, charging and discharging batteries, injecting solar energy into the grid and storing it for later, allowing EVs to charge now or overnight. And because Athena constantly monitors system performance, it adjusts to changing circumstances in real time. So this is some really advanced stuff that this AI software is capable of doing. Very advanced form of technology that we're seeing here. And this could really bolster the green revolution if more projects are being implemented using this software. And you can access the ecosystem using your laptop because it's all done through software. So these are some good numbers right here. So the core benefits are it tracks savings and battery performance in real time, uses machine learning to maximize bill savings, predict solar generation, and optimize battery storage, automatically store and release energy to maximize customer savings, manage and optimize multiple sites, integrate with market operators and utilities and automate wholesale energy market transactions, and maximize wholesale market revenues. So this software is very useful as it has so many applications that this definitely can really benefit the company long term. Over 30 Fortune 500 companies use STEM. I mean, look at these companies: AMC, Facebook, UPS. These are big companies, and the fact that STEM is being contracted by them to utilize their projects, is a really good thing. So let's take a look at the financials of this company. So as you see, the stock price is at $25.09. So this stock started off as a SPAC, which is essentially a blank check company, which merged with STEM so that they can go public as opposed to doing a traditional IPO. And the stock price started off as $10, and especially with the crazy growth that we saw earlier in 2021, this stock has shot up. So let's take a look. Over 1 year, so as you see, the stock price started roughly around $10 a share, and then as soon as when STEM got public, it just shot up to as high as $50 a share. And then the biggest crash in all the growth stocks happened in February, and we saw it dip to as low as $18, and then back up to $37, and now we're seeing it slowly decline into the 20s. So we don't know if this stock has bottomed out yet. As we see in the past month or so, it did bottom out at $20.53 and shot up to $26. So this could potentially be the bottom, unless this is more of a dead cat bounce. And a dead cat bounce means after the stock dipped, the stock price shot up only for it to go back down again. So we don't know if that's going to happen with STEM stock. So looking at the key stats here, it has a $3.29 billion market cap, and the 1 year target estimate from analysts is $39.75. So based on the analysts, you would be getting STEM stock at a good price if you were to purchase it in the 20s, essentially. So looking at the performance here, so we see year after year the revenue is increasing, which looks good. However, the negative earnings that we're seeing is increasing as well. So year after year, you're seeing the earnings get more negative and negative. Especially with 2020, that's a huge drop in earnings. And looking at the quarterly, you see, as we see here, negative earnings, and it got a lot worse in Q1 and Q2 of this year. But we're still seeing increasing revenue, though. It's a bit conflicting, but I mean, at least they're doing pretty good in terms of their revenue growth. All right. Okay, so let's look at what the analysts are saying. So, based on 4 analysts' ratings, they're saying that it is a buy, with price targets as low as $34 and as high as $48. So even the lowest target is higher than what the price is right now. So, like I said, based on what the analysts are saying, you could be getting this stock at a good price, although that doesn't mean that you should buy it right now. Okay, so let's dive deeper into the financials here. So it appears that they don't have an income statement on Yahoo. Well, that's not good. It appears that they don't have any financials available. Okay, so I was able to obtain the financial data from different websites. So looking at the net income, STEM is operating at a negative net income. Like with many growth stocks, it's not profitable yet, but there is a potential that it could be profitable, especially with the green revolution that we're seeing. And in the balance sheet, they currently have $698 million in assets and $489 million in liabilities. So the assets exceed the liabilities, which is a good thing. And in terms of their debt, so they have not even $1 million in long-term debts. And then, where is it? The short-term debt is 1.72 million. So very negligible amount of debt when you look at it in the grand scheme. So that's really good. So all in all, STEM, ticker symbol STEM, is a company that's really focused on incorporating AI into clean energy for many applications. And the fact that many companies are using their services and products is really a good sign. And I do believe this company has a bright future ahead of itself, in addition to other companies involving themselves in clean energy like CleanSpark. So as a result, I'm bullish on both CleanSpark and STEM. However, I'm not a financial advisor, so please don't buy STEM stock simply because I'm talking about it. This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please do your own research on the stock before making a purchase. This is Investor Sheikh checking out.